In this video, we're going to learn how to find the p-value when we are giving the test t-value for a left-tailed and using the TI-84. So I left the work here from the previous video. We did it by hand, so we're going to compare it right now with a calculator way, right? So the first way to do it is, again, the best way is to graph it. This is the t distribution. The 0 is going to be here, and we're going to graph the left tail, which is minus 1.145 somewhere here, right? So this is the t statistic value. So now that value here, you're going to divide the graph in a small tail, and the area of this small tail, it would be our p-value. And because we are using only one tail, all right, so the totality of the p-value will be located on the left side. All right, so the function that we're going to use in the calculator is called TCDF. So to access it, you need to go to second vars, that's the distribution menu, and you're going to scroll down all the way to TCDF. So the menu will ask me to provide the lower end, the upper end, and degree of freedom. All right, so the lower end of this distribution, you can go all the way from here. So this is going to be minus infinity, right? So this is the lower end. Remember, the tail never ends, right? And that's by default is noted as minus 1 e to the 99. So in case you don't have it, so that's how you type it in. You're gonna type negative, this sign, 1, and then you're gonna go second and the comma, you see the EE. Alright, so that's the E, and then exponents 99, and that means minus 1 or minus 10 exponents 99, which is very huge negative number, right? That's the lower end. So we get this already done. The upper end will be your t statistic. So the upper end is going to be minus 1.145. Degree of freedom is always n minus 1 here. So this is going to be 5 minus 1, and that's going to be a 4. Alright, so let's go and plug it in. The upper end is going to be negative 1.145. And then degree of freedom is 4, and then you just paste it, enter, and the value is going to be, so the p-value that you're going to get is going to be equals to 0.1580, and you can double check that this is correct. All right, it is between 0.15 and 0.20, and that's perfect. That's all.